Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nakibullah and I'm principal of the Asian Grammar School Pishin. Today I want to give my English review on how to make YouTube channel. YouTube channel is one of the best options for every educator, every person who wants to earn online. Create your content, upload them every day, and request people to subscribe your channel. They will watch your videos and you will earn money. There will a stage will come where you can monetize your channel and you can have money and you can enjoy your life. So there are some basic steps for making YouTube channel. I will just share with you guys one by one, and then you just try making your own YouTube channel. That is so simple. The first work you need to do is just go to youtube.com, open youtube.com, and there is one option, Google sign in option is present. But for sign in option, you have to use your Google account. Without Google account, you cannot enter and you cannot make your youtube.com channel. So enter with Google account and then sign in with Google credentials. The second step is set up your YouTube channel, which is described in this video, and I will also share the video a link with you where you can watch and you can learn all the steps given in the video. Here, in my review, I will just say a few points about them. And the second point is set up your YouTube channel. You just click on create a channel. Then you need to choose channel name. It should be brand friendly and easy to remember. Don't select difficult names or that you don't remember. Then with the passage of time, it is sometimes it happens, you may forget. And then upload your profile picture. Your profile picture should be neat, clean, visible, and it should have some bright background. That is enough. Keep it simple. Step number three is customize your channel. Go to YouTube Studio, click on customization, and then in customization, you need to do some work. The first work is create banner, make banner for your channel. And for making banners, you can use canva.com. Canva.com helps you create thumbnails, uh, flyers, Facebook posts, YouTube posts, and a lot more. Go to canva.com and make a wonderful banner for your channel, YouTube channel. And then it requires description. So for making description, just go to ChatGPT and request ChatGPT to write description for your YouTube channel. That is so simple. Copy and paste in the description area, and then give your links. For example, you are using Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. Add all those links of your social media, and then set your channel for the visitors. Okay. The next is step number four. In step number two, you need in step number four, you need to do one work that is two-factor authentication for security. You need to make your YouTube channel secure, so it is away from the hackers. So then go to default video setting. In default video setting, just see who your audience should be. You want to make it public, you want to make it private or unlisted. There are three options. So in this video, the video maker says that you should keep your channel private or unlisted. So then you can edit and you can post to your YouTube channel. Anyway, that is up to you. And then also describe tags for every video. Uh, you can use ChatGPT for that, right? And then channel category and audience setting, select which audience, as I described just a while ago. Then step number 5 is upload your first video. Go to the right top corner, just right there, upload video. Click on the upload video and then give it title, description, and text. If you are in the mood to have some help from AI, you can use ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can write all these things for you. Design custom thumbnail. Then for designing thumbnail, you can go to canva.com, and in the search engine just write, I need a custom thumbnail for my YouTube video. Give the relevant headings then, and Canva will create a very wonderful attractive thumbnail for you. And then you also need to have hashtags for your YouTube video. For hashtags, you can also take help again from ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek or any other AI tool that you can easily use. And now the sixth step, which is described in this video, is about monetization and growth. For monetization and growth, you need to have 100 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Uh, Now, how to get, the question is how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Look, you need to upload videos every day or every week, at least 2 3 videos, and then just publicize your videos. Post the link of your videos on all your social media accounts so that people can go and visit. And now, what kind of video can you make? Simple. The video should be according to the choice and the demands and the wants of the audience. What sort of audience are you having, and what is their demand? So make the video according to their demand and keep it simple. That is so simple. So thank you very much. I'll share the link. You just watch the video yourself.